Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do, and hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And this is going to be an office chair. I forgot who it's coming from, but it's going to be corrected in the title and the description also. So definitely check these guys out. Look at that. We got big boy office chair. Super comfy. Be right back. We're going to open it up, put it together, all that good stuff. See you in a few. Alright, this should be a fun one to put together. We got the tools right there. Screws, Allen wrench. That's all we need. Definitely going to need this. Well, maybe not. I'm pretty good at putting chairs together now. And an experience. Man, this is nice. Ooh. What is this? Oh boy. Oh, it's a arm bar. Got some goodies down there. That's probably like the wheels, maybe. And nothing down there. Alright. And get this big guy out. Yeah, we got 2 armrests, which is standard, you know. There's a crank. We're going to need that in a few minutes. Should be easy peasy. And this must be the base. How low can you go? Oh, that's a base. Heavy. So, I mean, if you're not a expert, you might need some help. But these are pretty easy to put together. Yeah, that's a pump. Pump it up. Pump is like at the bottom, like that. There is the separator. Ooh. Good bottom support. Super comfy. It's like a car seat. Go racing. Great for online gaming. For hours you guys do with your Fortnite and whatnot. And also if you guys do a lot of vlogging. Super comfy chairs. And they are on sale now. Whoops. With the back to school sales going on. So definitely check that out. And we're going to be back while I put this together. Have some fun. And check them out. Thank you guys for sending me this chair. I forgot your names. Sorry. Be right back. Alright guys, once you get it all out, we got everything there. We got the screws going, the pump, and this is where you do the base. You just gotta line it up with the hose, and then take these screws, screw it in, fasten it up, make sure it's even, Steven. I gotta adjust it a little bit, which is fine. But simple, you get all of them. There we go. So, really easy to do, guys. But like I said, if you're not experienced with this putting chairs together, might want to get some help. But like I said, if not, it's easy. Take your time. That's all you gotta do. There we go. Nice and easy. So, all I gotta do is put these 1, 2, 3, 5, and then put that down on the ground to get the pump, which is in here, and then put it through the middle, and then this goes on the back or the bottom of the seat cushion. You're gonna have to screw that in, and then there you go. I'll show you guys something about this. It's kind of different. It has like a pump. Maybe it pumps up the arm bar. So that's something cool. Kind of like a doctor's pump that you see at a doctor's office. Be right back. Alright guys, once that's in, you can see all the screws nicely screwed in. You're going to want to put the wheels on. And the wheels are also in this box. So definitely keep your eye up. Here we go. And then you're going to put the wheels in there. Through the holes all the way around and then put it on the ground. And you also get the cover with the pump to cover up the pump. So that's easy to put in. I'll show you in the next step. But right now, it's wheel time. So, like I said, this is easy. And here we go. Here's the wheel. There's that one it is. Just put it in there and pop it in. You got to do that to the rest of them, like that. You just got to push it in a little bit more. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand on the camera and then my right hand. So, give me 1 second. I'll show you. And here we go. Oh. See? Nicely installed. Perfect. And then here we go. We got all the wheels on. The bus go round and round. See? Now you put it on the ground. Get ready. Now you're going to want to take the pump. Pump it up. Bada boom. Pretty simple. And then you got to move these up. These little protectors. Kind of tricky sometimes. But there's a way to do it. You can cover it up pretty good. Like so. And now we're going to do the base or the seat cushion. Time to put on the crank. Alright guys, for this part, you're going to want to remove these 4 screws that are pre-installed. And that's going to be put into those 4 corners. So it's really simple, like I said. This whole thing probably take maybe 20 minutes, maybe half hour tops. But like I said, if you're a beginner, take your time. You got time. We'll be back. And here we go. You just got to line it up with the circles. Right there. And then take those 4 screws. And you'll be good to go. Simple. Alright, next step are the arms. I already did the other one. But just a reminder, remove these screws before you put it on. They're on the side. They're already pre-installed. These little guys. And then, pretty simple. Alright, next step is to remove on the back these 4 screws. That's from the main part of the chair, as you can see right there. And it's pretty simple. Boom, 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 and boom. Now you're going to want to back this thing up like this, and then even it up with these holes right there. See? It looks actually really comfy. Definitely going to try it out. Coming up. Alright guys, now this is nice. And remember, there's a pump. So I put the pump in the pouch. And I think it's for the lumbar. Oh yeah, it's nice and good for your back. Well, if you guys are looking for something for your office, now's the time to buy them. Like I said, back to school sales are going on now. Really nice design. Super comfy. And yeah, definitely check them out. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. And also, you could raise it up. See? And now it's much higher. And you can adjust the back by hitting the switch right here. There. So, you're good to go, guys. This is definitely a nice one. Be safe. Have a good night.